Digital4PRO. Adam Smith's Spring Factory is a clear example of how an economy can grow through innovation, be it organizational or technological. The reduction of unit or average cost and the enormous increase in the quantity produced do not just replace old methods of organization and production, but increase the potential size of the market. Existing users not only buy more pins at the lowest price, but also think of new ways to use cheaper pins. The geographical limits of the pin market expand. Thus, innovation in nail production has revolutionized house building. In anchor production has revolutionized railway construction, or rivet production has enabled the mass production of aircraft. Digital4PRO informs with blog, trains with academy, and accompanies with consulting services. Put your like and read my article on Digital4PRO. Thank you.